tape everywhere. We are ready to burn off these tires. It broke down the side.
Alrighty guys, how are you today? We're coming at you today with a durability test on some quads here. With mine, I got HVAC tape, 12 rolls per tires on there. We got 30 pounds of pressure in each tire. And don't even forget, that's $200 worth of tape on these two tires. But I'm gonna let Danny explain.
On mine, we have not nearly as much tape as what Jake has on his. It's about 6 rolls per tire. I spent about $100 on freaking tape. But you know what? Let us know in the comments what you think is going to do better. Whether it's going to be that HVAC tape or duct tape.
Well, I'm pretty confident in mine. This sucker is actually...
What would you guys put in your home on your pipes? I know after this video, I know what I'm putting on my home.
HVAC tape.
Yeah, this is how you really test the tape out.
Right?
Exactly.
If you can trust it on a quad, you can trust it on your home.
What we have going on, we're gonna get back to the starting line. That's what, almost 800 feet to the starting line. And then we're gonna rip it around the track once. And don't forget, we have number 3 yet, and that's gonna consist of a burnout.
So stick around for the burnout. It's going to be a gnarly one. It's going to be an absolute smoke show.
We have some crazy things in store with that one.
Neighbors might get a little pissed.
That's okay. You know what, guys? You're gonna catch us from here to the starting line of the second challenge, if you will.
If that's the tape on the tire, or if it's a strap, or if my tires just coming apart.
I mean, it's on there, right?
Not bad for a light drive.
You can see that the sides are kind of right here, some rippage there, but
Yeah. She's starting to come off a little bit.
well, it felt a little wiggly in the back,
Did it?
a little bit. But yeah,
Well,
I say go get Danny's quad and see if we can make it back here all in one piece. Alrighty guys, they both held up just fine. Don't see really anything abnormal happen from that easy drive, but We're here on round 2. And we're gonna send it down to the track here. And I don't know how fast I'm gonna go. I feel like I'm gonna go a little faster than 20, that's for sure, because it's kind of a little boring to be honest with you.
Just driving 20.
Yeah, just driving 20 is no good.
That did feel like a Sunday drive.
Yeah,
Nothing to it but to do it. Just send it as hard as you think it's, you know, I don't know. Just get
Well, let's see if we can get it on the track at least once and see how it holds up. If it's holding up pretty good, I might take a second lap even harder yet.
well. Put your life at risk. I'm kidding.
Catch you guys for round 2.
Can't forget about my hand warmer. Whoa, that's slippery.
Still got everything on.
Holy moly. Holy crap.
That was nothing but a slick drift.
Man,
fest. I am
that was
caked.
slippery.
Like, look at this, guys. Oh, my camera's done for.
Oh, yeah. That actually stayed on there a lot better than I thought. Like, you can see the edges are now curled pretty good.
Yeah.
They're on there just fine. Wow, they're on there. I didn't see a single piece come off. Did you?
You got you.
Oh,
Good.
That's fine. That's casualty work.
Look at this, guys.
Cameraman hard at work.
Oh, that's,
Cameraman got it
that's the life
good.
of a cameraman right there.
Right?
Oh,
Now my nails are dirty when I'm on my keyboard. Probably.
Exactly.
damn.
Well, let's
Well,
take
let's-
out Danny's quad and see.
Let's try the duct tape, guys, and see how that's gonna work.
All right, duct tape. Can't let Danny down. Oh man. Oh, frick
I
me.
did not expect that at all. How is that even physically possible? It just delaminated everything.
everywhere. Look at this.
It delaminated completely.
Yeah, it started right off, like right up in the first corner there.
Really?
That's when tape started flying already.
Well, guys, I might be a little less confident now.
Guess what's being put in your home still?
HVAC. That just turned out way different than I expected.
I did not expect that even. Honestly, I didn't.
Damn, that's awesome. Was there a difference in between the two?
There was, obviously, I think after the tape started coming off, I felt some more traction, but it was hit and miss too.
Okay.
Like, it was still pretty slippery on there. Like, even back there, donut again happened.
Yeah. I think now we leave it up to the burnout. See how the burnout
Let's see
does.
how long the tape lasts with the burnout. We'll
Yeah,
catch you
we'll
back there. We're gonna do a burnout.
We are ready. We are hooked up to burn off these tires.
Alrighty guys, we're here back at our burnout pad. We got them all nicely hooked up. Ready to go, GoPros everywhere. So we're gonna see what kind of gnarly burnout's gonna do. First time ever blowing a set of tires on a four-wheeler for me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Just from all the... Using those drift tires now too?
Oh, go beat around with the rim.
I will actually.
Beat around with just rims.
Come on, let's go.
I feel drunk right now. My head is spinning.
She's off the rim good. Alrighty guys, we got some carnage. You guys probably caught that in the burnout already, but it's broken pretty much everywhere. Even the other side is broken.
There you have it, folks. At the end of all that, now you know you would put HVAC tape on whatever.
Literally on anything. Well guys, now you know. HVAC tape for the win. That's it for today's video.
See you guys in the next one.